start this beast up. Alright, well, I gotta go to the shop. I'm gonna keep working on the Prelude a little bit. Then we gotta go to Cali's and do some last minute touches to the Z. See if we can get that thing, you know, half dialed. Because it's, I mean, it's pretty much ready, but we're gonna have to get it a little bit more dialed. But that's really it. I mean, yeah, I mean, I don't expect to have the Prelude running today. I'm just gonna try to put most stuff back together on it. Right now, it's just the head that's on it. So if I can get it mostly together and get like the harness ran up through where I wanted it and whatnot, I'll be good. And then we can go to Cali's, freaking work on the Z, and then tomorrow we got a lot to do. It's dookie season, boy. Every damn spring, summer, fall, whenever it's warm enough for birds to be birds, shit all over every car I have. And you know, I thought with the Prelude, my first Prelude, or not my first Prelude, the last Prelude I had, I'm like, why is it so targeted, you know? Targeted. And I was like, oh, I looked it up and they said birds love to shit on red cars. But my Subaru's freaking black and it's not even, they're still shitting. I will need to use a torque wrench. Hello. Just time the crank, put the cams back in, I'll time the cams. Alright, well, I kind of just get these as close as I can be. So the arrows point up, and then there's these two ticks that have to line up. This engine's probably as interference as they get, so don't fuck it up, you know? Alright, now that the belt is nice and tightened, I can put the timing covers back on and put the valve cover back on. Yeah, look at that, the valve cover is over there. Hell yeah, so freaking, we're doing good. Callie's working late today, so I just been, you know, just busting stuff out, and I didn't think it was gonna look like this today, but I mean, we're doing pretty damn good on this. I don't know how far we are into the video yet, but yeah, I don't want to do too much time-lapsey, because you know, when I talk a lot and explain what I'm doing, I get shit on, and then when I do a video that's like a little bit of explaining and a lot of just like showing what I'm doing, like working, time-lapse, whatever, like yesterday, shit comment, shit view, I don't know what to do, you know, so I'm just gonna do whatever. I have no idea what to do. Nothing will ever quench. Throttle cable's on, map, TPS, this is clamped back up, fuel thing, I gotta get a new washer because I lost one. Haven't done that in a while, but yeah. I need a new small clamp for this one. But all this is all set. Wastegate's on. This is gonna come back off obviously because I gotta put the downpipe on. Power steering alternator back on, covers back on. Obviously, you know, timed and all that good stuff. Yeah, so I gotta get a new clamp for this too because that shit leaks. Alright, well I just spent a good amount of time cleaning up ish, kinda. Just kinda like kinda wanted to, you know, clean up a tad. Both of these cars are gonna be seeing some action and I'm very excited about that. I can say that with confidence. Both these cars are gonna be done pretty damn soon. The Prelude, I mean, I gotta just put the downpipe and whatnot back on, and I gotta redo this because I kind of put it in a stupid spot, which I did it again, but whatever. I just have to splice these 2 wires. This is for the IAC. But once this thing is running and on the ground, I'm not wasting any time. I'm trying to get this thing tuned ASAP. I don't think Jimmy's ever tuned with Neptune before, but I can't imagine it'd be, you know, difficult. He's been tuning, I think, he's been tuning on like Tuner Studios, HP tuners maybe, but mostly Tuner Studio, so we should be good. And when he tunes this thing, because I talked to him about that the other day, he said he's down to tune this. This is Mega Squirt. It's on Tuner Studio, so it's exactly what he's been used to. And yeah, oh, I gotta put away the bouginess, you know. I've been making moves, you know. You guys tell me I don't torque my shit. I doubt it. This stuff is pretty much all set. Like I said, I mean, everything's there. All the vacuum lines are done. Pretty much everything's done. Just got to do the downpipe and put oil and coolant and start the bitch up. We'll be straight. This is the little cap for the coolant. I put it there so I don't forget it. But yeah, everything's on there. Dope. I know some of you guys could probably relate. Like when you have your car like taken apart, and it's just like say like what I just did. Like you have the head off the engine. You're just looking at it like, ugh. Like I hope this goes all right, because there's always like that element of like maybe something will go wrong, you know. But I guess nothing went wrong. We're still good. Ready for some spool, boys. Everything is connected and ready to go on this thing. So hope you guys are hyped about that, because I freaking am. I cannot, like, I'm genuinely super excited to do the body work and paint on this thing, and then put the wheels on and then register it. Then I can cruise around all summer and fall. I'm gonna be going to like every freaking meet I can go to. Like me and Callie, whatever, we'll roll out. We're both gonna have like decent looking cars, so it'll be cool. And I've wanted another Prelude. I've wanted another Prelude for so long, dude. You guys have no idea. Well, you guys probably do, because I talk about it a lot, but alright, well, I'm gonna go to Callie's. Gotta wash my hands and whatnot. Push that back in here. Go to Callie's, and then we will get started on her car, which shouldn't take too long. Like I said, it's just an oil change and the rear brakes. Had to stop and get some dinner at my absolute favorite freaking place in the world to eat. I swear to God, guys, I don't like... There might be okay barbecue places in Connecticut, but to date, and I tried 2 to my dismay. I tried 2 other barbecue spots semi-recently, and they just don't stack up. I'm sorry. Like, they cannot compare to Pig Rig. So if you're in Massachusetts, come down here, Pig Rig in Wallingford, Connecticut, and get yourself some damn barbecue, alright? Okay, so this thing definitely does not need an oil change. Check this out. I'm gonna regret pulling this out again, but look at that. Oil's freaking mint. So, that's one thing I don't have to do, I guess. I hear a Cali. Very nice. That means I can work on this thing. Freaking A. Well, actually, we'll see. We'll see how the battery's doing. Probably just gonna leave that on all night. Let it charge. On not in the 40 amp setting, because there's a like a winter, like a trickle charge setting. That's what I leave it on if I leave it. Alright, we really didn't have much time to film, but it should be all good. I think. It's back on the ground. Didn't really film much here, but whatever. I'll probably go over it again one more time tomorrow. Tomorrow we have to go grab U-Haul trucks, blah, 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 blah. Go get Ronnie's trailer, put this thing on a trailer, wash this thing. Good amount of things have to get done tomorrow, but nonetheless, they will get done. Make a small checklist, but things running good. Leaking minimal oil apparently, because I thought it was leaking a lot, but but the dipstick says full, so I guess we're good there. But all right, well, like I said, leave this thing on the 6 to whatever trickle charge for the night. And you know, it probably doesn't need it. Like, it started up pretty easily, but should be ready to go. A couple small things, like I said, tomorrow, and we're good. But I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell notification so you get notified when I post. I post every day at 12, relatively every day. And yeah, bye. See you guys next time.